WINT stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in this space that can give you this sort of kind of perspective of mine, because I'm the only guy that's done 42,000 videos and documented them all. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's printing and what's not. What's making me money? Windtree Therapeutics. It's actually beforehand I was like bearish, and that delivered very nicely. When I kind of show you my proof, people think that I'm lying, but this was like 3 weeks ago, June, beginning of June. I was sitting at 88 cents post market, and I said if there is a double break, I'm willing to take it further down. Then the next thing that I saw happening was exactly that, right? So if I pop up here, you can see just the next day we kept melting. Needless to say, now starting to kind of pump back up, but altogether, unless there's a big catalyst above 104, there's no way this is going to be bullish to me. And I'm even open-minded to the sell side like before, meaning that if I see a shift in a double break, of course I'm willing to take it further down. But like again, random selling will just not be happening. So that's that. If you want to learn the formula and all that good stuff, click the first link in the description. Get to those 5-10k months. Risk-free, 1,200 people have tried it.